discovery focused?
The answer. Investment in electricity and energy is vital for Bangladesh's development, and Indian business houses are perhaps better positioned because of the natural proximity between India and Bangladesh, as well as common law as the basis for both the countries' legal system. The bureaucracy is similar, so they would naturally have an advantage or a better understanding of the market of Bangladesh. We welcome them, but I think Bangladesh welcomes everybody's investment in energy sector. It is in the interest of both the countries that there is a better understanding of these common borders or common areas where both the countries may desire to say that that belongs to that country. To have an understanding on those fronts would also improve relationship between the two countries and enable investment in this sector.
Non-tariff barriers, the difficulties in the perceived and real